Hey, it's Jaybird. I am with Chris from iFixYouri, and we are going to be doing another stunt with my own personal iPhone. Chris, what are we doing this week?
What we're going to do is take this poor iPhone that we torture all so often, and we're going to throw Jaybird in the back of our truck, and he's going to take it and chuck it onto the concrete and smash it into pieces.
And you'll be able to fix that?
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Okay, we're going to call my aunt. Let's see what she's doing for dinner. All right, getting ready to call my aunt Ann. You guys know her from the show. Just to prove it's my phone. Jason Pennington, home. That's my phone. Let's call her. Let's see what's going on. Man, it's hot out.
What the hell's wrong with your phone, Jay?
Ann!
Yeah, what's wrong with your phone?
No, it must have cut out or something.
Okay, what's up?
Do you want to do pizza for dinner tonight?
Yeah, it sounds like a...
What's that?
Yeah, why not?
What?
Yes!
Okay, we'll do pizza and maybe some linguine. Oh, no! Oh, that was so bad. It definitely exploded. All right, now if they can fix that phone, then I'll be impressed. To me, that's more impressive than pancake batter. That one seems pretty bad. Oh man, I didn't want to look at it. It's bad. Oh, it's really bad. Woo! And it's not. That's my phone still. Yeah, well, that's my phone still. Let's see if iFixYouri can actually fix it now. I don't know.
No.
Okay, iFixYouri just got done fixing my new phone, and they gave me a beautiful red covering?
Color conversion.
Color conversion. Very fancy at iFixYouri. Now let's see if it actually works. You promised me it's going to work. We're going to call my Aunt Ann back. I'm sure she's weirded out already. Let's see if it works. It's ringing. That's good.
Hello?
Ann!
Yeah!
Hey, I love you.
I love you too.
Okay, bye. All right, it works. Thank goodness to the great people at iFixYouri. Make sure you go in there. Tell them Jaybird sent you. We love you all. Bigfoot is real. Anything else?
No, just come by one of our 2 locations located in Palm Beach County. Okeechobee Boulevard on I-95, PGA Boulevard, and Prosperity Farms Road.
We love you all, and Bigfoot is real.